Hi guys, welcome back to Charlotte's Foliage. I just want to get in here today and share in a new plant unboxing. It's been a while since I purchased some plants, so I wanted you guys to see what I have, and let's just get started. I want to always say welcome back if you're revisiting, and welcome if this is your first visit to my channel, and I hope you like the content and will subscribe. Let's just get started. All right, I'm gonna get something here. These plants come from Ecuagenera. They have the fragile information on here, and we're just gonna go in here and see if they came in good shape. I've ordered from them before, so I've been pleased with my orders in the past. So let's get this tape off of there. Got that packing tape on there real good. Okay. So I always like to share let you guys see how they pack their supplies and the plants and how they come, what kind of shape they come in. This is the first part of it. This is how the plants look in the packaging. Just like that. And then what we're gonna do is dig in and see what I got. Okay? I'm excited. I love plant shopping. So let's open up the first plant. It's a small plant, and it's not labeled. It has a number on here. So let's see what we got. All right. I hope you guys can see. I can't stand the lighting in this room. Let me open up these blinds. Excuse me, guys. I'm trying to give you guys some better backlight. All right. So here we go. Here's the first plant. It is, I believe this is an Anthurium crystallinum. Yep, it's a Clarinervium. Anthurium Clarinervium. And what this Clarinervium is what we call a seedling. So that means that this plant is a baby. And so I want to make sure I take care of it and give it a nice soil mixture. But what you want to do is not take it out of this pot right away, because it needs to get adjusted to your home. Let's open up the next plant. All right, let's get excited, because I don't know what I'm opening until I see it. Oh, you guys are going to love this one. This is I believe this is an Anthurium crystallinum. Oh gosh, it's beautiful. Look at it. Oh, look at the leaves, you guys. She's a beauty. That's plant number 2. Okay, let's put it right there. And here's plant number 3. She looks like she's gonna be a big one. Look at her, you guys. Look how long she is. Let's get her opened up and see what she looks like. Okay. I'm excited. It's like getting a birthday gift. Except for it's not your birthday. Okay. Oh my God, y'all. She's beautiful. This is a philodendron Solarite. I've always wanted this plant. And it's got a new growth point opening up on it, y'all. It's beautiful. Let me get close so you can see it. Philodendron Solarite. Look at the leaves. 1, 2, and then it's got a new one unfurling. Look at that. Isn't it beautiful? So yeah, I just wanted to get in here and sharing the experience. Thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I'll give you guys an update on how these plants are doing. I'm going to put them in isolation because you want to make sure that these plants don't have any pests. And then you treat them for pests before you put them in the environment with your other collection of plants. Thanks again. Bye now.